Hello guys, and welcome to Esther's Kitchen. Today we are doing something real simple and easy to fix, and we are fixing stir fry cauliflower rice, and it has vegetables in it. It has peas, corn, red bell pepper, and there's a sauce. There's ginger sauce in it, and these are the stuff that we are going to add into it. Onions, already chopped, prepped everything before this. I have garlic, I have oil, canola oil, I have soy sauce. I'm using dark soy sauce today. And when you're using soy, you have to be real careful to use the less sodium one, because soy sauce can be really salty. And I have spring onions to garnish, and I have some salt over here. I have some eggs here because I'll be doing egg, but I'll make the egg separate from my rice, and then I'll add it together and mix it together at the end. So if you're tuning in for the first time to Esther's Kitchen, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. That way when I make a video, that you'll be able to be notified and watch the newer video that will be uploading. So let's get into it. All right, here I'll turn the stove on. This is my onion. I'll put it in there. I have my ginger here. And all you're doing over here is sauteing these, and then I'll add my oil here, and I'll have a little bit left for making my eggs. So that's that. And as we wait for the onions to saute, we will have, I'll get my eggs started here and make my eggs. All right, let's get some oil. Make sure to heat your oil first. I'm just making sure that you know, the oil is well spread in the pan. And when this heats up, you're gonna go ahead and add the eggs. That's our onion sauteed until it starts to brown, and then you can add your rice. Oh, this smells really good. This is healthy. This is good for those people who are looking into losing weight. And you can do this. You can buy a fresh cauliflower and use a food processor to make your own rice, or you can buy it frozen like I did. And I prefer this kind because it's really good. Everything has been done for you. They've added the vegetables, and it's organic. It's organic. I got mine from Costco, and I like it. I like it. Oil is already hot. Make sure to be careful. That's an egg. You can mix your egg in there. You can pre-mix it if you prefer to do that. I mixed mine in the pan, and I'll add just a pinch of salt into my eggs. There. And then I'll come back to my onion. Now it's starting to brown. Make sure you don't burn it, because garlic is not the best when it's burnt. And here, this bag comes with 4 small bags in it, and this is how they look like. Today I'll be using just 2 bags because they're super big. It's a lot of rice, and I just want to do 2 bags today. It's my second bag. There you go. You see how that beautiful is? It's already well mixed, and I mean it has all the vegetables in there, and it takes just a few minutes, and dinner or lunch is ready in a very few minutes. Look at rice. That looks so beautiful. Looks really good. And at this point, we are ready to add our soy sauce. Just a little bit, like so, because if you put too much soy sauce, it might become soggy, and you do not want your rice soggy. See, it still have some water in it. That's why you don't have to add a lot of soy sauce. This is looking really good. It's healthy. And remember, these are still vegetables, so you don't have to cook your rice for that long. And I think we are getting pretty much done. I'll add my eggs. You can skip the eggs, or you can add more eggs if you like. I only did 2 eggs. And all you do is give it a good mix. And give it a good mix, and our rice is done. Our rice is done. If you notice, I did not put any salt yet, because soy sauce is salty, and the rice has some ginger sauce into it, so I did not add salt, because my eggs had salt, and you want to avoid a whole lot of sodium in your body. So no salt into the rice, and it's done. We are going to garnish it with spring onions, and it's pretty much done. And look at that, guys. Look at that. Looks pretty good. It's nutritious, and this is good for those people who are looking into losing weight and all that. Let's taste our rice. This tastes really good. Tastes really good, and it's healthier, and it's worth it. It's just like a few minutes and you're done. So please go subscribe to my channel, and everything that I did here, I'll put it in the description box, and you should be able to find everything that I used here. So check for it in the description box, and please subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for you to be notified as soon as I upload a new video. And thanks for watching. I'll meet you again here at Esther's Kitchen. Thank you.